Vercel just put up $1 million to answer a simple question. Can an AI agent get out of its sandbox? The catch is important. This is a public 2-week security challenge, not a report that somebody already escaped. Researchers are being paid to try. Imagine a robot in a locked lab. The room is one boundary. The hallway outside is another. A strong lock on the room does not help if a cable in the hallway can still reach the wrong building. That is the idea behind a modern sandbox. Isolate what code can touch and control where it can talk. Vercel's own post says its sandbox gives each workload a firecracker micro VM with its own guest kernel. Inside that, untrusted code runs in a Linux container. The micro VM is the security boundary. Vercel assumes the code is hostile, root in the container, full kernel access in the micro VM, and motivated to reach the host or another customer. But there is a second wall. The network controls live on the host, outside the micro VM. They filter outbound TCP and DNS, check domains and IP ranges, and can add credentials at the boundary instead of putting secrets inside the sandbox. So even if the code can see everything in its room, it should not get to choose every door in the building. That creates two very different tests. One is the dramatic escape, break through the firecracker micro VM, reach the host, or touch another tenant. The other is quieter, stay inside the VM, but defeat the network policy. Reach a destination that was not allowed. Exfiltrate data. Or use a brokered credential somewhere it was never meant to go. The wall can still be standing while containment has failed. Why does this matter now? Coding agents can read a repository, execute commands, install packages, and write programs. A malicious instruction hidden in an issue, log, dependency, or source file could ask the agent to upload something it can read. If one DNS path, proxy, or trusted service is misconfigured, the code may not need a kernel exploit. It just needs an exit. Vercel says an open-weight model with no safeguards did not escape its sandbox, but it mapped the guest kernel, built a VM to test its ideas, and wrote a fuzzer. That is exactly why the challenge is public. It is a test of the boundary, not proof that the product is broken. The program runs August 18th through September 1st, or until the reward pool is used. The useful lesson is broader than Vercel. A sandbox is not just where code runs. It is what that code can reach, what authority it receives, and whether the route changes under pressure. Compute isolation, network policy, credentials kept outside, live testing. For pieces of one promise, the door is closed because the building is designed that way. If an AI can act, is telling it the door is closed ever enough?